Good evening there, everybody. I wanted to do a long-term follow-up here on my high mount or third brake light on my 2010 F150. There's my original video. I'll link it below or on the side, wherever the little cards are now. This is the Mynoway, M-Y-N-O-W-A-Y, whatever that is. Version of it. Got it off Amazon. The first one, the clear housing cracked and broke off, and it was leaking inside. I don't remember if I had the antenna on it last time or not, but now I do. But either way, there's no water intrusion anymore. So the seal back here has been doing well. As I recall, it had almost like a mouse pad backing to it as the gaskets or grommet there. It's held up really well. You can see no fogging in the lens there. There is some of this linear crazing or something, whatever you'd call that there, from the plastic and the UV rays. Screws are still holding up, no rust, and it's been doing a pretty good job for us. Let me set up the tripod here and we'll get some footage of it lighting up still so you can see how that looks. One final thing I wanted to show was the light output. It's currently 9:11 at nighttime. It's not particularly dark, but it's dark enough because I gotta go inside and finish doing things. But it is wired up so it'll light up when you open the door to illuminate the cargo box, and I have to say it does an incredibly disappointing job at that. Let me just, for some comparison real quick, show you my phone's flashlight up there compared to being off. If I can find the button, there we go. There we go, on. And there we go, off. Now the OEM one wasn't much better, but this one barely illuminates anything. And let me show you that if I can get the door open. There we go. See the brake lights lit up. The light is on, and it lit up nothing, essentially. You might have a little bit of something here. There's a little bit of a shadow down there. That might also be from my flagpole light. So I just wanted to end on that note. I don't think I put that in my original review. Overall, it does a pretty good job for illuminating for stops. But if you think it's gonna light up the bed of your truck, you are mistaken. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good night.